Good morning, friends. My name is S. Srinivasan from the first batch, and I am here for a few minutes to talk about our union, which I would consider as momentous. The Alumni Association started 50 years ago and is celebrating its Golden Jubilee. So it is appropriate that the first batch, in fact, the first two batches, because the 64 batch graduated mid-64 and 65 batch completed their program by end of 64. So technically, for both of us, this is the Golden Jubilee year. And at the outset, I would like to thank IIT Director, Professor Nagarajan, and the team to have made it possible, because they did understand that it's not very easy to push us at this age. And when we left the institute, as you know, there were no computers, no email, no way of connection. If you want to talk to anyone through mail, its a turnaround time is 20 days, or go to an international subscriber telephone booth and wait for two hours to get the feedback that the other end is not available. So that's the way we were disunited. Our batch, our first few batches, we were completely disunited, and we had not known each other for several years, other than small groups in which we were working. We made a very feeble attempt a few years ago for connecting together. We called it a Ruby Reunion Day. And in order to gather the strength, we collected three batches, 64, 65, and 66, so that we could have a few people around to join. And we managed to get about 25, 26 people to join together and spend a couple of days. We knew it is a challenge. It's a challenge to bring back many of us who have left the institute and they had no connection at all. And neither the institute knew where they were and what they were doing, nor did we know many of them. And it is the impetus that the institute said that why don't we make it an official reunion as a Golden Jubilee reunion for the first time, and we continue this tradition year after year. We did put in a lot of efforts, and we set a very, very ambitious target that we will have 50 people joining us in this reunion. And I am happy that we have reached the target. As of today, we are 52, hoping that there are not more than 2 dropouts. We will still reach the magic number of 50 tomorrow. It's really very, very good to get connected back to the institute. Except few of us who have been around, we never felt that we are away from IIT. There's a very, very small number, handful. Most of us, many of us, are getting back to the campus for the first time after 50 years. And as of today, we are still not fully aware of what they have been doing, what the background is. Few of us in Chennai, we attempted to connect through networking, people known through them, connections and so on. And Malik Pucha, please. In the US, he has been putting all the efforts to collect the US group together. And we had initially a very ambitious plan of connecting US and India through the current technology and then have a combined reunion. But the timing is such that in the US, being a Christmas time, there are family reunions and other commitments for many of them. So we could not achieve that. We will do it maybe sometime later. But we have been successful in getting 50 people together, and we wanted this to be a little bit unique. So we approached Professor Nagarajan that let's have it separately, so that our batch can. Two advantages. One is the average age is not increased unnecessarily, because it's going to be a senior citizens camp for the next 2 days. So we thought that your group can be a little younger as such. So they gracefully agreed that we will have a separate function. So we are having our reunion on the 28th. We are also very fortunate that we could connect with some of our very senior faculty members who are still around. The former registrar of IIT, who started the institute along with Professor Sengupta, Mr. Natarajan is joining us on 28th, and a few professors, Professor E.G. Ramachandran, Professor Anantaraman, and Professor Verghese, at this age, even though they are very unwell, they are excited to come back and be with us and bless all of us on that day. So we are meeting tomorrow for really trying to find out whether we can ever recognize anyone in the group. So it takes some time to really understand who is who and what is what after 50 years. So we spend the whole of morning tomorrow in doing that. And in the afternoon, they will go around the campus, which they haven't seen for 50 years. I'm sure it will surprise them and impress them a lot. And hopefully will motivate them to continue to get connected with the institute as long as they live, as we hope. And the evening we have a small entertainment program, and on 28th we have the formal function, and tomorrow we will be having an address from the director because he is not available on 28th, and 28th it will be Professor Nagarajan's day, will take us through. We are also starting off an initiative which in fact was Nagarajan advised us that the Heritage Center requires a complete revamp, and the Heritage Center to have the complete history from inception to what it is to show to everyone. And we felt appropriate that our batch, which was there at the inception, provides a seed fund for the Heritage Center. That is being organized day after tomorrow. And hopefully when people come back and see the institute, I am very sure that many of us, in whatever capacities we have, will be able to participate with the current activities of the institute. There is one benefit after I listened to the recent presentation on CERN. Many of us at this age, we have moved away from active professional work or research work or academic work. We have gone into a different zone of life. Therefore, we can look at what you are doing from a distance, not getting fully involved. And I'm sure that that will add a new dimension to what you're going to be doing. Not only what you're going to be doing intensely all the time, but somebody from outside who is away from this may be able to give you some ideas or some suggestions, which may open up some new avenues for you to look forward to take forward. So that is a basic benefit I think the Golden Jubilee group will be offering to the younger groups, because we are away looking from a distance, have a different perspective of life, maybe throw some light on what is being done as research in terms of what we can offer in terms of ideas from a different dimension altogether. So that's a hope we have, that we are very happy that we have an opportunity to get together amongst ourselves and also make all those people aware of what IIT is today and what is it that they can contribute in the years to come. So that's the plan, and we thank IIT once again for making it possible for us. Thank you.